Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC B12E3 denotes a high-level failure in the electric steering lock system, specifically involving the NTRCUT1 component. This diagnostic trouble code indicates that the body control module, BCM, has detected an abnormality, prompting it to store this error for future reference. The electric steering lock is integrated with the steering column and plays a crucial role in immobilizing the vehicle, thereby enhancing security. Meanwhile, the body control module acts as the central processing unit for various systems in the car, processing signals from sensors and activating components accordingly. It's important to address this issue promptly to ensure vehicle safety and operation. If left unresolved, it might impact the vehicle's ability to start or lock the steering, creating both security and usability concerns. The error description for DTC B12E3 highlights that the body control module, or BCM, has identified a high-level failure relating to the MTR-CUT1 component. This is crucial because the MTR-CUT1 serves as a signal line that communicates between the BCM and the electric steering lock. The integration within the steering column makes it vital for anti-theft functionality, as the electric steering lock disables the wheel, preventing unauthorized operation. The BCM monitors this status to ensure the steering lock's operation is within normal parameters. If it detects abnormalities, it conservatively stores the error for diagnostics, as it significantly affects vehicle security and user confidence in the ignition system. The potential causes of DTC B12E3 can stem from several sources. First, an open circuit in the MTR-CUT1 signal line can occur, which disrupts communication between the BCM and the electric steering lock, causing imbalances in operation. Additionally, if the electric steering lock itself is faulty, it may not engage or disengage correctly, leading to failure messages being sent to the BCM. Lastly, in some cases, the body control module itself could be the source of the issue if it fails to process or interpret signals correctly. Each of these scenarios is critical to evaluate, as they each indicate potential vulnerabilities in the vehicle's steering and ignition systems, which can significantly impact safety. The symptoms associated with DTC B12E3 may include a failure of the steering wheel to unlock properly, which is crucial for allowing the vehicle to start. Drivers may experience difficulty in turning the key or engaging the push-to-start system if the electric steering lock fails to function as designed. In certain cases, the vehicle's security system may also malfunction, preventing the engine from starting due to perceived unauthorized access, which compromises both usability and security. These symptoms serve as critical alerts for the driver, signaling that immediate attention is required to avoid potential safety hazards or further vehicle damage. The first troubleshooting step for DTC B12E3 involves checking the integrity of the number B22 and number B29 fuses. These fuses play an essential role in supplying power to various systems, including the electric steering lock and body control module. If either fuse is blown, it could prevent the systems from receiving power, thereby incorrectly signaling a fault. It's crucial to verify that these fuses are intact before proceeding with further diagnostics. This simple step is often overlooked, but is essential for ensuring that tests performed later are based on valid conditions. If the fuses are found to be in working order, only then should further inspections proceed. The second step in troubleshooting for DTC B12E3 requires a thorough inspection of external circuitry associated with the MTR-CUT1 and ground connections. Using proper diagnostic tools, you'll want to verify that MTR-CUT1 is intact and that no open wires exist within the circuit. This means checking for continuity and examining for signs of wear, corrosion, or physical damage. If an open circuit is detected, it indicates that the signal cannot be properly communicated between the body control module and the electric steering lock. This step is vital, as it directly affects the operation of the trusted locking mechanism for your vehicle's steering column. In the third troubleshooting step for DTC B12E3, the focus shifts to the electric steering lock. Since there is no direct testing method for this component, it is necessary to install a known good steering lock to verify functionality. Once the replacement is made, observe whether the previously experienced failures or DTCs reoccur. This approach helps to isolate whether the issue resides prominently in the electric steering lock itself. If the symptoms cease after replacing the part, the original electric steering lock can be deemed faulty. It is essential in this step to document any changes and understand the component's impact on overall vehicle performance. The final troubleshooting step focuses on the body control module, particularly if prior inspections pointed to normal conditions in the other relevant components. If the MTR cut one circuit and the electric steering lock perform as expected, yet the DTC B12E3 persists, it indicates a potential issue within the body control module itself. In this case, diagnostic tests may confirm whether the module is malfunctioning and unable to correctly interpret or relay signals. The BCM acts as the nerve center for multiple vehicle functions. Therefore, its reliability is paramount for the system's integrity. If it's determined to be faulty, replacement may be necessary to restore full functionality to the vehicle's steering and ignition systems. After all troubleshooting steps and repairs have been carried out for DTC B12E3, it is crucial to perform a final repair verification. This process includes retesting the vehicle's operation to ensure that all systems function as intended. Key areas to focus on include the electric steering lock and confirming that no DTCs reappear in the diagnostic system. It's also essential to verify that the steering lock can now engage and disengage properly without any issues. Conducting this verification step ensures that all previously detected faults have been addressed and rectified, which reinforces the vehicle's safety and security features. Confirmation of successful repair is essential before returning the vehicle to the customer. To prevent future occurrences of DTC B12E3, a proactive maintenance routine is advisable. Regularly checking the integrity of fuses associated with the electric steering lock and body control module can help preemptively address potential electronic failures. Additionally, it's recommended to inspect wiring harnesses for wear and damage, particularly in areas subject to movement or abrasion. Maintaining up-to-date software for the body control module can also enhance functionality and prevent incompatibilities from evolving vehicle technology. These preventive measures aim to promote a safer driving experience and prolong the operational lifespan of the steering lock mechanism. In conclusion, addressing DTC B12E3 requires a prompt and systematic approach. Understanding the roles of the electric steering lock and the body control module is vital for accurate diagnosis. Following the outlined troubleshooting steps ensures that potential causes are effectively eliminated, leading to a successful resolution of the issue. By keeping your vehicle systems in working order, you not only uphold optimal performance, but also enhance your safety and security while driving. Regular maintenance and vigilance can prevent these complications from arising, making it imperative for vehicle owners to stay informed and responsive to diagnostic alerts. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.